Hello, my name is Kylie, and welcome to Words About Our Feelings, Part 2. In this video, we will learn even more words that can help us describe how we are feeling. Be sure to watch the first video, Words About Our Feelings, Part 1. Now, let's get ready to learn new words about our feelings. Wasn't that a silly face? Spell silly with me. S-I-L-L-Y. Silly. It sure is fun to act silly. Cheyenne's dad loves to pretend he is a monkey and stomps around the house. He is being silly. Everyone always laughs at him when he pretends to be a monkey. What things do you think are silly? Can you make a silly face right now? Good. There's nothing to do. It's raining outside and I am so bored. Spell bored with me. B-O-R-E-D. Bored. Being bored means you feel like there is nothing to do. I often feel like this when I'd like to go play outside and it's raining. It can be hard to think up something to do when you are bored. How do you stop from feeling bored? What fun things do you think of to do inside on a rainy day? Poor Pete. He just fell on his roller skates in front of all of his friends. He told them he was really good at roller skating. Now he is so embarrassed. Spell embarrassed with me. E-M-B-A-R-R-A-S-S-E-D. Embarrassed. Whew, that is a lot of letters. His face is red, he is about to cry. Those are sure signs he is embarrassed. When we are embarrassed, we often want to run away. Have you ever felt embarrassed about something? Amberly is at a really big family party with a lot of adults she has never met. Her mom keeps taking her from person to person and making her say hello. Amberly is having a hard time speaking, tries to hide behind her mom's leg, and bows her head down. What is Amberly feeling? Did you say she is shy? Yeah, you are right. Spell shy with me. S-H-Y, shy. Shy is when you are uncomfortable meeting or speaking to new people. When is Grandpa going to get back from the store? Scott knows his grandpa is usually only gone a little while when he goes to the store. Scott is worried. Spell worried with me. W-O-R-R-I-E-D. Worried. Can you think of some things you do when you are worried? Scott rushed from the front door to the window and asked his mom when Grandpa was getting home. His eyes were big and his hands were sweaty. These are all signs he was feeling worried. Not everyone shows that they are worried in the same way. When I'm worried, I bite my lips. What do you do? Luckily, Grandpa came home. He was late because he had a flat tire. Boy, was Scott glad to see him. So, I just found out that we're going to the zoo tomorrow. Yay! I am so excited. Spell excited with me. E-X-C-I-T-E-D. Excited. The zoo is one of my favorite places to visit, and I almost can't wait to go see all of the animals. Did you see how I showed how I was feeling excited? What did I do? How do you feel excited? Let's review all the words we've learned. Silly, bored, embarrassed, shy, worried, and excited. I am happy, excited, and proud that you've learned all these words about our feelings. Try and use these words when talking about how you feel. You can stop feeling bored anytime by practicing these words and more using our fun online games and quizzes. Until next time, remember to always be clever.